Welcome. Today, we're exploring a concept in algebra called inconsistent systems. We'll learn what it means when we say a system of equations has no solution, focusing on the idea of parallel lines that never cross. First, let's quickly review what a system of equations is. It's simply a collection of two or more equations that we consider at the same time. Finding a solution means finding a value for each variable that makes all of the equations true simultaneously. Graphically, this is the point where the lines of the equations intersect. In many cases, a system of equations has one unique solution. If you graph the two linear equations, you'll see two lines that cross at a single point. The coordinates of this intersection point, an x and a y value, represent the one and only solution to the system. Now, let's introduce the main topic: inconsistent systems. A system of equations is called inconsistent if it has absolutely no solution. This occurs when there is no single point that can satisfy all the equations in the system. When we graph these equations, the lines will never, ever intersect. The visual representation of an inconsistent system is a pair of parallel lines. Think of them as train tracks that run alongside each other forever but never meet. These lines have the exact same steepness or slope, but they cross the vertical y-axis at different points. Because they never intersect, there's no common point and therefore no solution. We can identify an inconsistent system without even graphing. If we look at the equations in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, the m represents the slope. If the slope is the same for both equations, but the b value, the y-intercept, is different, then the lines are parallel. This is the algebraic fingerprint of an inconsistent system. An interesting thing happens when we try to solve an inconsistent system using algebra. Let's say we have two equations and we try to find the point where they are equal. After simplifying the equation, we end up with a statement that is logically impossible, like 5 equals -1. This contradiction is the mathematical way of telling us that there is no solution. This concept isn't just abstract math. Imagine two cars traveling on a highway on parallel paths. If they are going at the exact same speed, they will always stay the same distance apart. One car will never catch up to the other. There is no point in time or space where their positions will be the same. To sum it all up, inconsistent systems are systems of equations that have no solution. Graphically, they appear as parallel lines that never intersect. Algebraically, their equations have the same slope but different y-intercepts. And if you try to solve them, you'll always arrive at a mathematical contradiction. Understanding this helps you see how different equations can relate to each other.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.